Hi, vlog.
It is the Wednesday before Turkey Day, and we're busy today. But somehow, somebody always finds time for one thing.
Okay.
He's been in my vlog like what, 2-3 times, and 2 out of 3 he's been in that same position. Anyways, I'm packing up to go make pies at my mom's. So I got all my little ingredients here. And we're gonna go make a couple pies. I made a pumpkin pie last night, so that's done. And then we have a birthday party tonight. And it's Pilgrim and Native American themed, so let's see how it goes. See what's going on in here. What's poppin'?
What's up?
First things first, we need to get some substance. Oh, baby. Alright, so here's everything you're gonna need for your pies. I'm gonna make a Snickers and Butterfinger. You can really make this with any candy bar that you would choose. You just chop it up very finely and throw it in there. But you need a graham cracker crust. I've also used chocolate graham cracker before. That was a hit. You need some peanut butter, room temperature cream cheese, Cool Whip, and confectioner's sugar or powdered sugar. Alright, so I whipped the cream cheese up a little bit because it was a little hard, so I just whipped it with a mixer here. And then I have the 1/2 cup of peanut butter and 1 cup of powdered sugar, and I'm just gonna mix that with the mixer. Alright, so that's all mixed, and now you just mix in your candy bar of choice. Alright, so I just mixed everything up, folded in the whipped cream, and put it in the pie shell. And here it is. I'm going to sprinkle some Snickers on the top, and then you can keep it in the freezer, but you have to thaw it for like an hour before you eat it. So, there it is. And there she is with a little Snickers garnish. Make sure you save some of your candies to put on top afterwards. Ooh, baby! We got a little friendly competition going on this year. What are you working on?
Some banana cream pudding.
She's making a dump cake. I do like her little pie thing. Pie is my favorite. Previous vlog, I usually take care of all the pies in the family.
Oh my goodness gracious. That's only because your mom can't bake. I can throw down. So.
Bryson, the people want to meet you. Hey! Look, the people want to meet you. Hi! Say hello. Say hello. My name is Bryson.
298 frozen patties later.
Happy Thanksgiving to you and your families. Alright, babe?
Happy Gobble Day!
Happy Macy's Day, Thanksgiving Parade Day.
That's nice.
And you say, Happy Dog Day.
Happy, oh yeah, the dog show. All the pretty dogs.
We got a little late start to the day today. Gosh, the glare on my glasses is so bad.
Same.
We had a little late start to our date today because we had a long night at a Pilgrims and Indian party. We're gonna go eat some foods at Ryan's family and then eat some foods at my family. That's pretty much the agenda today. Ooh, hit him with it, babe.
Dixon, not sponsored, but you know, if you want to know.
Oh yeah, hashtag not sponsored, but we'll take it if you want it, Dixon.
Dixon.
So he has
The Colonel's on deck.
new haircut, glasses from Zenny. Boom.
Zenny.com.
He has his flannel
Always flannel.
from Dixon. This is Ryan's regular look.
Always flannel.
Do Ryan.
She is rocking the olive green sweatshirt,
That you saw in my last vlog.
the white belt, and the black turtleneck. Do a little spin, a little spinny spin. Oh, okay. With the long flowing Rapunzel hair.
Yeah, it's about to get chopped off this weekend, I think.
Let's get a crack-a-lackin'.
And then these are my black shoes I wear with every single outfit, and my black high-waisted Forever 21 jeans. Here is the finished Butterfinger pie that you guys saw me make yesterday too. Takes like 2 hours to thaw out, so I took it out of the freezer like, I don't know, 20 minutes ago or so.
Yeah.
So Ryan thinks he's only gonna have one small plate at our first stop.
Yes.
In the
'Cause I
next
don't eat
clip,
at the other
in the next clip, I'll insert a picture on his plate.
I don't eat at your family's.
Yeah, you never have it.
Yes, I
This
have.
is our third Thanksgiving, and he's never even ate
Yes, I have. She
the
is
pies that I made.
fibbing. You are fibbing.
I plan on having more than one plate, but
Well, I'm gonna get my dad stuffing because it's orgasmic. So. Really?
you want some, bro?
Oh,
I just want to know if everybody wants to say Happy Thanksgiving to my followers.
depends on how I look.
Happy
Hi, Mom.
Thanksgiving.
Happy Thanksgiving, Claddy!
Happy Thanksgiving.
I didn't want to have to do it, but
I'm about to move it over.
I beat my brother twice in a row at checkers.
It's a series!
He does have an outstanding record here at my mom's. But unfortunately, I did have to lay that smack down on him a little bit. So, my record is 2-0.
Show them what else happened.
Damn, love!
Also, we had some injuries on this nice Thanksgiving.
Third-degree burn.
Oh my god.
they're all on
Bad
the same
it looks
person.
bad on camera.
What?
We had some injuries today. Bryson, say hi.
Come on, bud.
That means he wants something, man.
Come on, boy.
Hi. Hi. Say, I'm Bryson.
Hi.
Say, I'm Bryson.
My name's Bryson.
Say,
Bye.
oh, say I'm 3.
Cheese.
Cheese. My name's Bryson.
Say I'm the most
You gonna make
handsomest.
Auntie famous.
Bryson say, I love you.
Wow, please.
I love you more.
I'm on my mom.
Said I love me more. Cheese.
That's Grandma's 10% right there. Keep going.
See you later.
We should happy.
Yeah, say subscribe to Auntie's channel.
Bryson say, subscribe.
Bye.
Oh, it is cute of all of us.
Oh my god, he is so. Bryson, you got the greatest smile.
Is that good? I only could take one.
Yeah,
Like-
that's good.
yeah.
Did you say thank you?
Yes.
Oh, you're so
I hope
polite.
you got that on the vid.
I did.
I think, how fucking long is it gonna take for it to dry out?
I don't know.
Motherfucker.
I think Grandma had it for days.
Is that the wishbone?
Yeah.
Logan, you got
I
it.
mean, you got it.
Is that the wishbone connected to the neck bone?
That was nasty what just happened. If I could not relive that again a day in my life.
You weren't here when, did you hear it crack?
No.
When Mom was in here and I cracked it off, I had to break it off its bone.
I don't know where, you guys live, but here in Akron, Ohio, it's our tradition to break the wishbone. Whoever gets the biggest piece will have luck. Oh, you don't break it until New Year's, right? Because that's what you have good luck for the rest of the year.
It says it takes a few days for it to dry out.
We're home now.
Yeah.
We had a great Thanksgiving. We hope you had a great Thanksgiving
I ate
as
2
well.
pieces of pie. I never do that. Ever.
I had about
You made the Snickers and Butterfinger.
which were the best pies of the evening
They were gone.
at both houses.
Gizon.
But I ate 4 pieces of pie.
Ooh.
So it's about time for bed for us.
I got a sugar headache.
You did. You really did.
I tried telling you I don't eat freaking sugar.
He really doesn't. That's like my sister made a caramel apple
Disney
caramel apple pie.
It had sugar cookie crust.
Every time I wear these are crooked, so every time I wear these I have to be like,
What the hell?
anyways. My sister made a Disney caramel apple pie and he had 1 piece and literally got a headache right after.
It was like a bomb of sugar. I mean, it was good. It's not my cup of tea. It was phenomenal. She did a great job.
We just wanted to say thanks so much for watching.
Hope you enjoyed it.
Comment down below if you want to say what's up, like, subscribe, and maybe we will see you tomorrow.
See you tomorrow.
Bye.
Tiger versus Phil day. Match day. I'm going to.
You want to take the camera and vlog tomorrow?